In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to charge your DJI Smart Controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can easily charge the battery on your DJI Smart Controller. To do this, you will have to use a USB cable. Usually there will be one provided with the device, but if there isn't, then purchase a replacement. As you can see, it is going to be a USB-C cable for this particular model. All that you have to do is plug one end of a USB cable into this port that you see below the main screen, and after this, plug it into a wall outlet. So if you want to charge it from a wall outlet, it's as simple as plugging one end into the DJI Smart Controller and the other one goes into any suitable wall outlet. This should give it enough power to start charging the device. You will see some form of indicator that the device is now charging, and it's as simple as plugging it in using the USB cable. Alternatively, if you have a portable battery bank like this one from Anker, then once again you can do the exact same steps. So you plug one end of the USB cable into the power bank that you are using and the other one into the DJI Smart Controller. There is no secret to this. So either use a wall outlet with the cable or plug it into a power bank. As long as you are able to extract power from either a wall outlet or the power bank, the DJI Smart Controller will begin charging. There are no restrictions or limitations. As long as you have a standard USB-C cable plugged into the device and it is receiving power from an outlet or a power bank, it will begin charging right away. If it is not charging, inspect the cable first. See if the cable has any damage, try replacing it, and then inspect the port. If either the cable or the port are damaged, then of course it will not charge. So it's important to always make sure that they are good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to charge DJI Smart Controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.